Welcome back to the Ketos YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at hardware security modules and why they're important. Let's dive in. Safeguarding our data has never been more important. But how can organizations protect against ever-evolving threats? Introducing the unsung hero of cybersecurity, the Hardware Security Module, or HSM for short. Imagine a physical device that acts as a fortified vault for your digital secrets. Encryption keys, authentication credentials, and critical digital assets, all protected under layers of physical and logical security. HSMs are the gold standard in securing data because they perform encryption and decryption operations within a tamper-resistant environment. This means the keys never leave the device, making them impervious to external threats and internal vulnerabilities. Why elevate your security with an HSM? It's simple. HSMs provide a level of security that software alone cannot match. They're designed to resist physical tampering and sophisticated cyber attacks, ensuring that your most critical data remains locked away safely from financial transactions to confidential communications. Hardware security modules are the backbone of secure systems around the world. They ensure the integrity and trustworthiness of the digital infrastructure, enabling businesses to operate with confidence and compliance. In an era where data breaches can cripple organizations, deploying hardware security modules is not just an option, it's a necessity. Secure your digital assets, safeguard your reputation, and build a resilient future. Start using hardware security modules today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more about the fundamentals of PKI and passwordless solutions from the team at Ketos. Watch this next video about how you can build an HSM-backed certificate authority using Azure Key Vault and EasyCA.